Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and if you've had any problems with your kids regarding the child locks that they make nowadays and safety features that are supposed to work and keep our kids in the houses, but they don't work, then this video is for you, and hopefully you can grab something from it. Here we go. Hey guys, got a short but important video for child safety and door locks. This one is not only just for children on the autism spectrum, like our son Jaiden, who's 11, but for typical kids and for kids all over the world. I think this trick works if you're struggling with the traditional door handle child safety locks. Over time, our kids figure them out with the thumbs, or they break them, or whatever happens. And we had not much success over the years. Jaiden would always break them and figure it out. And because he had autism, he always wanted to take off and run outside and just be outside. And we were just getting sick of these little plastic door handles. So I'm not a handy guy, but I thought about it for a second. I'm like, what can we do? And I came up with an idea, and I kind of jimmy rigged it for our main doors years ago, and it has worked out perfectly. After a while, he just gave up. He's like, I can't get out. And that was it. And after talking with some parents, I'm realizing in the autism community, a lot of people are struggling with their kids trying to get out. Some of them are runners, which means they will figure out that door and go. So this is an idea I have. If it can help you guys at all, whether you have a special needs child or even just a typical kid, if you can take from it, fantastic. So this is what we did. I'm gonna show you. I'm not super handy, but instead of the traditional like plastic door handles where you have to push a button, Jaiden would even just eventually crack the thing in half once he got a little older. So what we did is, again, my quick little example. Went to Home Depot. This is a two-piece unit, but it comes together. Screws there, screws there. Comes with a key, and as you can see, this turns. So, boom, pop that on. You can turn it if you want and lock it. That's totally up to you. We never had to do that, and this is why I'll show you. So at an angle, we just have it closed. We don't have it turned or anything. But at this angle, let me unlock the door first. Boom. That's as much as it will open, and I'm pulling as hard as I can. So as you can see, powerful and not destructive. Okay, you cannot break this thing. And that's why I went with this. So over time, after so many kid locks we went through, I'm like, let's try this, babe. So my wife said, okay, let's do it. So we tried it, and it did wonders. So if you're struggling with your kids at all with any kind of door locks, go high, go with something very durable and powerful like this. And you don't have to get, obviously, what I did, but what I would recommend is there's something very similar at the Home Depot, and it's called the Door Guardian. And there's lots of things like it, but I'm promoting the Door Guardian because I've actually seen some people use it. Much more presentable and clean looking than what I have, but same concept. So Jay we don't even need these anymore. I just haven't taken them down just in case, I guess. I don't know. But they've done wonders. I hope they do great for you and your house if you need them. So thank you so much for watching along in this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up if it helped you in any way, shape, or form. And if you're new to the channel, I love sharing my family. I think I just stuttered there. I love sharing my family and the world of autism in our daily life, and that's what our video is all about. So if you guys have any interest in that, please check out the channel, subscribe below, hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to get every new video. Other than that, thank you and good luck. Hope you figure out those door locks. See you guys.